Isa sa pinakamalaking mali na ginagawa mo tuwing wala sa mood yung kadate mo, yung partner mo, yung girlfriend mo, o yung asawa mo. Kapag wala sa mood, ibig sabihin, nasa negative emotional state is you try to fix it with words. Usually, kapag nakikita mo na wala sa mood, usually you try to fix it by words. Sinasabi mo, babe, what's wrong? Okay ka lang ba? Meron ba akong ginawang mali? Tapos magtataka ka kung bakit nawawalan siya lalo ng gana sa'yo. Kasi ang totoo, words doesn't change a woman's mood. Actions do. Ganito kasi yon. Women are emotional creatures. Kung ayaw mo ng babaeng emotional, gusto mo ng babaeng rational, logical, ng stoic na babae, pumunta ka na lang ng ibang planeta, pumunta ka ng ibang universe, baka doon meron. Kasi yung mga babae dito sa Earth, ganun talaga sila. Women are very emotional creatures. And wala na silang magagawa doon because of their hormonal shits. Kumbaga yun talaga yung nakaprogram sa kanila. Minsan, good mood siya, sobrang saya niya. Pero minsan, wala siyang gana, bitchesa. Minsan naman, tahimik lang siya, neutral. Pero saan ba sila consistent? They are consistent on testing you. Testing you kung paano mo sila i-lead outside that negative emotional state. So tuwing nasa negative emotional state sila, i-check nila or i-test ka nila kung kaya mo ba sila i-lead papunta sa positive emotional state. And during this test, dito tayo ngayon madalas nagkakamali. Usually, we try to fix it by words. We try to validate her. We try to reassure her. Tinatry natin gumamit ng mga mabubulaklak o mga sweet na words para lang bumalik siya sa positive emotional state o sa mas magandang mood. Pero ang totoo, words are not enough. And also, sobrang mali na sasabayan mo yung current negative emotional state niya. Kaya kapag galit siya, sobrang mali na magagalit ka din. Kapag malungkot siya, sobrang mali na magiging malungkot ka din. Kasi for sure, bababa yung attraction niya sa'yo kasi mawawala yung polarity. Again, women are emotional creatures. And if you want to make her more attracted and more obsessed with you, kailangan may polarity, may opposite. Kung emotional siya, dapat hindi ka rin emotional. Because women doesn't want a emotional man. What they want is a leader, a masculine man. Di ba nga, polarity. A leader that will lead her outside the negative emotional state papunta sa positive emotional na state. So, paano mo ba masishift yung mood ng isang babae without using your words? And by using only your actions. So, kung nararamdaman mong off yung energy niya, wala siya sa mood, nasa negative emotional state siya, palagi mong isipin that you are in control. So, meron kang power to lead her outside that bad mood or outside that negative emotional state. So, instead of asking her questions, validating her, reassurance her, tatataran mo ng sweet words lang, make sure mag-follow through ka ng actions. It's all about your energy. So kung malungkot siya, tapos malungkot ka rin, habang buhay kayong malungkot pareho. So pero kung malungkot siya, tapos nag-e-enjoy ka, through your actions, kumbaga nag-e-enjoy ka, playful ka pa rin, light pa rin yung mood mo, hindi mo siya sinasabayan sa negative emotional state niya, then yun yung perfect combo in order for you to change her mood, to lead her outside that emotional state. So ipakita mo na nag-e-enjoy ka, your mannerisms, your gestures, yung tono mo, because women are naturally drawn to men who knows how to shift energy. Kapag chill ka, mas nagiging chill siya. Kapag komportable ka, mas nagiging komportable siya. Kapag masaya ka, nagiging masaya siya. Always remember that you set the mood, not her. So with your actions, you stay grounded, you stay in control, and because of that, she will follow your lead. In that way, maaalis mo na siya sa negative emotional state niya papunta sa positive emotional state. Let's end this video sa isang quote. Ang sabi dito, a man who leads with energy, not words, is a man women want to follow. Kapag nakita niya that you can control her mood, that you can handle her in times na nasa negative emotional state siya, she will see you as a man who's worth chasing. So make sure, do meditation, taasan yung emotional intelligence nyo, be stoic, be logical, be rational. Because those are the traits para maging obsessed sa'yo yung babae. So hopefully this video helps you a lot. Sana may nakuha kayong mga gems dito, mga value. If you want more videos about men's masculinity, everything about men's personal development, like and subscribe lang dito sa channel ko. I will upload the best men's personal development contents dito sa YouTube, dito sa Pilipinas. If meron kayong mga topics na gusto nyo i-discuss ko, comment down below. And I'll see you sa susunod. Let's go!